Welcome everybody, this is Augmented Technologies. I'm Jay, and today we're going to do a little dive into how to cast from your MetaQuest 3. But before we get into it, if you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's get into it. Okay, so you want to go over to the camera icon, click that. Then you want to go ahead and click cast. It'll bring up this URL. Type that into your computer, into your whatever browser you have. It'll bring you to this screen. Now, once you're at this screen, you just go ahead, select whatever way you're going to cast to. I'm using OBS, and we'll go ahead, click that, and now you're casting. So once you're done with your game, you go ahead, click quit, and you want to go back to the camera tab. You want to click on that, and then you want to click casting again, and then stop casting. And that's it. You're ready to cast to your PC from your MetaQuest 3. Like I said before, if this guide was helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.